Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the Motorola Moto G 5G 2023. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone packed with powerful features, stick around to find out why this could be your next favorite device. The Moto G 5G 2023 comes unlocked and is designed for the US market. It's compatible with major 5G networks like T-Mobile and Verizon and works seamlessly with most 4G carriers. Powered by the Snapdragon 480 Plus 5G processor and 6 GB of RAM, it offers smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and streaming. The 128 GB storage provides ample space for your apps and files. One of its standout features is the advanced 4.8MP camera system. With quad-pixel technology, your photos are vibrant and detailed, even in low light. Plus, the dedicated macro vision lens lets you capture close-up details with stunning clarity. The 6.5-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate ensures fluid scrolling and immersive gaming. The Moto G 5G also impresses with its long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, keeping you powered all day. Add in Dolby Atmos stereo speakers for rich, clear audio, and you've got a device that delivers great value for its price. So, is the Moto G 5G 2023 the right phone for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.